The ShadeMart 95% Pergola Sun Shade offers excellent protection from harmful ultraviolet rays, blocking up to 95% and allowing you to enjoy a cooler outdoor experience. Installation is straightforward with grommets placed every 2 feet, and the included zip ties ensure the cover remains stable and neat on your pergola frame. Constructed from high-density polyethylene shade fabric, this pergola cover is tear-resistant and comes with a 3-year warranty for standard usage and weather conditions. This universal replacement canopy can fit both metal and wood pergolas, providing an affordable and attractive alternative to your previous shade cover. Custom sizes are available, ensuring a perfect fit for your specific pergola dimensions, and the company offers easy returns or exchanges within 30 days. The internal poles are made from stainless steel, adding stability and creating a beautiful overhang that guarantees a perfect fit on your gazebo frame.